Alright, this is my case. Last time I shot this video, I was high off of cough syrup, and I was saying fuck every 2 seconds. So here's a little wrap around of the case. I believe that's 120mm. You can actually see the video this time too. 4 portholes. 2 here, and 2 here. Water cooling, that's going to be something I'm going to be doing. And there's a little switch here. I don't know what this does. It's just a switch. It doesn't say anything about it in the manual what it does. I might have to take this top off to figure out, see what it's hooked up to. It's probably to the LEDs, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's black case. There's nothing in it right now. Got it about 2 weeks ago. Very beautiful case. It's a nice glossy black on the outside. Top's plastic. This is obviously plastic. It would steel be heavy as hell. Steel. See-through basically. That's for a big fan port. I'll show you that in a minute. Here's the front of the case. 5 bays. 5 and a quarter, I believe. Nice big heavy door. Very nice. Nice dampening of the door, I should say. Optional fan in the front, which is going to be a fan. Let's see. We got, what is this? Oh, headphones, mic, USB, 3.0 USB, and a SATA. Fan control, very nice. Everything has a description. On, restart. Massive 200mm fan. Optional second 200mm fan. That is either for a 200mm or a 230. I'm going to try to get a 230. If not, 200mm is fine. 220s on the side. Perfect for my hard drives. And let's see, let's take these out. Oh, before I do that, put you down for a sec. On the bottom of the case, obviously this is where the power supply goes. On the bottom, there's a nice, what do you call it, filter. Air intake, obviously. I might put a fan here, I'm not too sure, but I might leave it empty. And there's the space to the inside where the fan goes. Weighs about 30 pounds. Not bad for a full tower case. This is, by the way, this is a Phantom by, I believe it's called, or named after Next, I think. I don't know. The door swings open. Very nice. I'm going to do a custom job on it. I'm going to put a hinge here and here so I can actually swing it open. And have my fans that came with it still connected. Very nice. They actually did a nice organized job. Everything's taped down. And I believe the wires are actually pretty long. Nice. Set this down. Inside the case is black. Black on black. There you go. There's a different boards it's gonna get. I'm either thinking about doing another ATX board, or I might do an eATX, which is extended ATX. Nice port here for the CPU. Good doing Intel. I was thinking about doing AMD, but I'm gonna stick with Intel. I built Intel computers over the past years, so I'm gonna stick with that. Top here, here's the big fan I was talking about. There's the optional. There's the 120mm. Snap-on design, very slick. Inside, managing cable slots. these indents are obviously for to hold the cables in. On the other side pops off. All the cables stay in the outside, so your motherboard and everything else looks clean. This is actually a spare bay for what they call those things, SSDs. Manual, box of goodies was here. I took it out because I'm just seeing what I'm working with, which I'm very pleased. Everything is actually organized for once instead of inside one big ass bag. Yeah, so this is my case. Very beautiful, very slick, and they actually labeled all of the wires in the case, which is actually nice for a change. Yep, everything is either SATA cables. I'm guessing that's for the USB. Yep, there's USB 3.0. This is probably for the lights. Yep, that's for the power. Fan connectors. It's gonna be a good build. Plan on putting other videos up. Stick with me, subscribe on my Twitter account, and everything will be in the description. Alright, peace out.